Hello friends, today we are going to discuss here about NEET PG 2022 MCQs. Let's begin. Which of the following tumors arise from epiphysis? So guys, in my high yield topic videos I already explained Ewing sarcoma arises from diaphysis of femur, whereas osteosarcoma arises from metaphysis of femur. So, epiphysis by GCT or osteoclastoma. So, best answer is this. Okay. Now, Ewing sarcoma most commonly seen in second decades. Osteoclastoma epiphysis. Osteosarcoma is metaphysis. So, hope this MCQ is clear. Now, which of these tumors is least radiosensitive? So, least radiosensitive, or you can say radio resistant, that is osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is least radio sensitive, and this cancer is radiation induced. After radiation exposure of 10-15 years, develops into osteosarcoma. Okay, which of the following malignant tumor is radio resistant? Very high yield MCQ. The following malignant tumor is radio resistant: Ewing, retinoblastoma, osteosarcoma, or neuroblastoma. So the best answer here is osteosarcoma. So guys, those who already took subscription of my videos, I hope these MCQs are very much easy for them and they answer in 1 second or 2 seconds such MCQ. Okay. Now, 15-year-old boy is injured while playing cricket. X-ray of the leg rule out of possible fracture. Radiologist reports the boy has an evidence of aggressive bone tumor. Very high yield line. Aggressive bone tumor with bone destruction and soft tissue mass. The bone biopsy reveals a bone cancer with neural differentiation. Which of the following is most likely diagnosis? So I am going to explain you here, like chondroblastoma, good prognosis. Chondroblastoma, good prognosis. Then osteosarcoma, then Ewing sarcoma. Most worst prognosis and most aggressive tumor is Ewing sarcoma. So answer here is Ewing sarcoma. Okay, Ewing sarcoma has a neural differentiation. Neuroblastoma may present with skeletal metastasis but is seen in children less than 5 years old. Okay, now 7-year-old child present with lesion in the upper tibia. X-ray shows radiolucent area with Codman's triangle and sunray appearance. Diagnosis is this also I explain in my high yield, very high yield important topic, this type of presentation. So why not this is Ewing sarcoma? In Ewing sarcoma we see onion pill appearance, and in case of osteosarcoma we see Codman triangle and sunray appearance. Okay, one more high yield MCQ. Methotrexate is used in high doses in osteosarcoma, retinoblastoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, Ewing sarcoma. This also I explain in my 150 high yield topics. So very high yield MCQs. Methotrexate used in high doses in case of osteosarcoma. Okay, methotrexate is used in high doses with leucovorin rescue for treatment of osteosarcoma, hematological malignancies and brain tumors. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, any queries, write in comment box. And if you want to join or subscribe that 150 high yield topics, you need to purchase that plan for 5000 rupees. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye.